Juanita has a coupon for 10% off any digital camera at a local electronics store. She is looking at digital cameras that range in price from $100 to $250. Write a compound inequality that describes the price range of the camera she's looking at. So she's looking at cameras that cost $100 to $200. And so if we let X be the price of the camera, then we can create an inequality where we have 100 on the low end, and we want to include 100, so we're going to say less than or equal to X, and we're going to say less than or equal to, and now we have the high end is going to be 250. So we're including 100 and we're including 250. So the price is going to be somewhere between 100 and 250 inclusive. Now write a compound inequality that describes the range of the cameras after the coupon is used. Juanita has a 10% off coupon, which means the price on the low end is going to go down by 10%, and the price on the high end is also going to go down by 10%. So if we do 100 times 0.9, which is 90%, that's how much we have to pay after the 10% has been taken off. Another way to think of it is 100 minus parentheses 100 times 0.1, the 10%. So we have the original cost minus the discount. So that's equal to 90. Let me go ahead and write this out. So on the low end, we have 100 minus 100 times 0.1 is less than or equal to X, which is less than or equal to 250 minus 250 times 0.1, like that. So if we go ahead and do the math, what we're going to get is 100 minus 10 is less than or equal to X, is less than or equal to 250 minus 25. So let's go ahead and combine like terms, and we'll end up with 90 is less than or equal to X, which is less than or equal to 225. And this is going to be our final range of cameras after the coupon has been used. So let's go ahead and put that here. 90 is less than or equal to X, and X is less than or equal to 225. If the tax amount is 8.5%, how much should Juanita expect to spend in total? So we want to write the answer as a compound inequality. And so what we're going to do is we need to multiply, or we need to add the tax to the low end of the price range, and we need to add the tax to the high end of the price range as well. Let's do that now. 90 plus 90 times 0.085 is less than or equal to X, is less than or equal to 225 plus 225 times 0.085 parentheses. So we're taking the current range after the discount, and we're adding the tax to the low end and the high end. Alright, so when we do that, we're going to get 90 times 0.085 is equal to 765. So 90 plus 7.65 less than or equal to X is less than or equal to 225 plus, so let's go ahead and drop this, 225 times 0.085, 19.125. Alright, So let's go ahead and add these together. We'll have 97.65 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 3044. So 244.12. Let's do 13 and round to the nearest cent. And that's going to be how much our cost is going to be after the coupon and after tax. So we're going to say between 97.65 and x is less than or equal to 244.13. So between $97.65 and $244.13.